Okay?
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna play it again. I know I suck. But anyway, you're not gonna suck. Then you get to play this part like this. You like that? You get to switch hands.
Like you have to stare.
Yeah, it's kind of weird. I don't know why they did it like that, but that's what the fingers are saying. So, let me teach you this part. Go ahead and sit down. Matter of fact, you can play again for the camera. You want to play for the camera? You want to play?
So then what are you about to play?
I'm going to play for this.
Okay. Alright, go ahead.
And this is my teacher.
Hello.
Very good teacher. Does she need to move the chair a little closer?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
There you go. Straighten this up. Very good. That is excellent. Bravo. Bravissimo. 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 Bish. Bish. It means more. More. Okay. Alright, for some kind of weird reason, I misplaced. Here it is. Please excuse my mess. Don't put that on the camera, okay? None of the mess. Keep it all out. Alright, I have here, I went and found the full sheet music for release.
Where'd you find it?
I found it online. I had to do some digging because everybody was trying to make me pay for one. But I found a free one. And I was like, okay, here's a free one. I don't know why it's over here. Somebody moved it. Oh, I gave a lesson yesterday too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. 15-year-old girl.
Just starting, or she?
Well, she's been playing. She plays. She's been watching YouTube, so she's been learning how to play songs from YouTube.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So
How was your progress?
pretty good because she's actually singing too. So I'm giving her vocal lessons and piano lessons at the same time.